Hi, I'm Brian McClellan from 360 Gearboxes and Diffs. Today I want to talk to you about load killing your gearboxes. Most of our customers think by using fifth gear when they're towing they're saving fuel, but in the long run it's going to kill your gearbox. Fifth gear is a cruising gear only. Do not engage fifth gear whilst towing, and most definitely not off-road. This is because the car does not slow you down to the engine RPM. Most of the four-wheel drives we see need their fifth gears repaired for this reason. You can save thousands of dollars in your gearbox rebuild if you do not use fifth gear as a tow gear. Slow and steady not only wins the race, but will bring you home as well. This is a perfect example of towing in fifth gear. As you can see, all the teeth have worn away. The reason for this is that it's been lugging so badly in fifth gear that it's popped first gear thrust washer. That in turn has punched a hole through the housing. The oil is pumped out, and as a result you can see all the damage to the gears. When towing in fifth is right back at the gearbox, and it's got to run from here all the way up here, up to this gear, and then back in here. So all this gear train here is getting extremely loaded up. Where fourth gear is here, which is directly lining clutch, which is a direct drive to 1-to-1 ratio. First gear is here, and as you can see, first gear thrust washer, it's broken off. This gearbox is a prime example of what goes in the bin when we're doing gearboxes. We could never use any of these components, it all goes in the bin. The heat has compromised all the metals, and it's a throwaway material. We wouldn't take your money to rebuild this gearbox. For this particular customer, we've brought him a brand new gearbox, but we're upgrading it to a tow pack, which will stop twisting all the drivetrain. If you've got a 100 series 78, 79 Land Cruiser or the late model Hilux, we can offer you a modified solution, a tow pack upgrade. This modification will prevent the gear train from twisting and or failing if you're towing or carrying a load. If you have one of these vehicles and keep doing your third or fifth gear, we can provide you with a solid solution which will greatly lengthen the life of your gearbox if you're carrying or towing heavy loads. For more information on our tow pack upgrades, you can contact us via www.360gearboxdiffs.com.au. You can call us on 9729 550. I'm Brian from 360 Gearboxes. Thanks for listening.